Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on how to update X, formerly known as Twitter. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of updating X on your device. Keeping X up to date ensures that you have access to the latest features and improvements. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your device. The Play Store is the official app store for Android devices and where you can find and update your installed apps. Step 2. Once you're in the Play Store, search for X, which was previously known as Twitter. You can either type X in the search bar or look for it in the My Apps and App Games section. Step 3. When you find the X app in the search results, tap on it to open the app page. Here, you'll see information about X, including its current version. Step 4. If there is an update available for X, you'll see an update button next to the app. Tap on the update button to start the update process. Step 5. The Play Store will begin downloading and installing the latest version of X on your device. The time it takes to update will depend on your internet connection speed and the size of the update. Step 6. Once the update is complete, you'll receive a notification informing you that X has been successfully updated. You can then open X to enjoy the latest features and enhancements. By following these steps, you can easily update X on your device and stay up to date with the latest improvements. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be enhanced with every update.